Right students, very good morning to you. Today we discuss about the section formula, and in that we discuss about the points of trisection also. Right. First one. There are two types. First one is internal division and the second one is external division. What about the internal division? So this A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2. This is the point P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Then what are the coordinates of P? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is the coordinates of P. So why we say that this is internal division? The point P lies in between the line segment AB. So P lies in between line segment AB. So that is the internal division. What about external division? External division. See. A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2, and this is the point P. The point P lies outside the line segment AB. The point P lies outside the line segment AB. So in divides in the ratio m is to n. The point P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. That means PA is to PB. That is equal to m is to n. So P lies outside the line segment AB. That means that is the external division. Then what are the coordinates of P? So P equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. That is the external division. So P lies outside the line segment AB. So what is the formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Now see this problem. The point P which divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 3. Now we have to find the coordinates of P. What are the P point? P equal to mx2 1 into 6 plus nx1 3 into 1 by 1 plus 3, comma my2 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 1 plus 3. So what is this equal to? 6 plus 3, 9 by 4, comma minus 3 plus 21, 21 minus 3, 18, 18 by 1 plus 3, 4. That is equal to 9 by 4, comma 9 by 2. That is the point. Right. See this problem. The ratio in which 2 comma 3 divides the line segment joining 4 comma 8 and minus 2 comma minus 7. See this one. So this is the point 4 comma 8 and this is the point minus 2 comma minus 7. Let this point P 2 comma 3. So the point P divides AB. We have to find the ratio. Suppose the point P divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Let us find the k value. So what is the P point? P of 2 comma 3 equal to, write the formula mx2 plus nx1 k into minus 2 minus 2k plus 1 into 4 plus 4 by k plus 1, comma k into minus 7 minus 7k plus 1 into 8, 8 by k plus 1. So now equal this one, 2 equal to minus 2k plus 4 by k plus 1, cross multiply 2k plus 2 equal to minus 2k plus 4, minus 2k this side plus 4k, 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the k equal to? 2 by 4, that equal to 1 by 2. Then what is the k is to 1 ratio? Is k is to 1. So k is to 1. That is the 1 by 2 is to 1. That equal to 1 is to 2. Or you can say directly the ratio is 1 is to 2. So the point P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Right. Now we discuss about the points of trisection. What is the trisection? What is the tri-3? That means, see this one. This is the A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2. This is the point P. The point P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. In the ratio 1 is to 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Or the point Q which divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Then the points P and Q are called points of trisection. The points which divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. Then such points are called points of trisection. Now see the example. See the example. Right, see this. The points which divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1 or 1 is to 2. Then such points are called points of trisection. Now see this example. This is the point divides in the ratio 1 is to 2. First we find the point P. What are the point P equal to? 1 into x2, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into 7 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. What is this equal to? 5 plus 2, 7 by 3, comma 7 plus 2, 9 by 3. That is equal to 7 by 3, comma 3. So that is the point of P. Now see another one. A of 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 7. And this is the point Q which divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Then whatever the Q point, Q equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 7 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11 by 3, comma 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, 15 by 3. What is this equal to? 11 by 3, comma 15 by 3, 5 is the point. So the points P and Q are called points of trisection. Right, students. Now we discuss about the harmonic conjugate. Right. 2 points P comma Q. So 2 points P comma Q. So 2 points P comma Q are said to be harmonic conjugate to each other if P divides AB in the ratio M is to N internally, then Q divides AB in the same ratio M is to N externally. See that meaning. So this is the AB. Suppose this is the point P. Suppose P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally. Then this is the point Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 externally. So this is the internal division. This is the external division. Then the points P and Q are called harmonic conjugate to each other. So they will give P, then we will find Q. So one division is internal division and one division is external division. So 2 points P comma Q are said to be harmonic conjugate to each other. P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally. Then Q divides AB in the same ratio 2 is to 3 externally. Right. Now see this problem. Find the harmonic conjugate of P of 5 comma 1 with respect to the points of A, B. See this one. This is the point A. What is the A point? 2 comma 10. What is the B point? 6 comma minus 2. This is the point P of 5 comma 1. So let the ratio be M is to N. Ratio be M is to N. See the solution. What are the point P? P of 5 comma 1 equal to mx2 m into 6m, 6m, n into 2, plus 2n by m plus comma m by 2 m into minus 2 minus 2 n into 10 plus 10 by m plus n. Now see this one, equal this to this, 5 equal to 6m plus 2n by m plus n, cross multiply 5m plus 5m equal to 6m plus 2n. So m take the side, or 5m minus 6m equal to 2n minus 5m. What is this? 5m minus 6m minus n equal to 2n minus 5n minus 3n, then m equal to 3n, then what is the m by n equal to? 3. m by n equal to 3, that means 3 by 1. So the point P divides AB in the ratio 3:1 internally. So the point P divides m is to n. What is that means? 3:1 internally. Now we have to find the point Q. Find the point Q. Point Q which divides AB in the ratio 3:1 externally. The point Q divides AB in the ratio 3:1 externally, means Q lies outside the line segment AB. Now what are the point Q? Equal to mx2 3 into 6 minus external division, so mx2 minus nx1 1 into 2 by 3 minus 1 comma m by 2 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into 10 by 3 minus 1. What is that equal to? 18 minus 2 16 by 2 minus 6 minus 10 minus 16 by 2. What is that equal to? 8 comma minus 6. This is the point Q. So the 2 points, what are the given point? P 5 comma 1 and this Q point 8 comma minus 8. These two are harmonic conjugate to each other. Okay? Have you understood the definition? Right. So there are 2 points P and Q are said to be harmonic conjugate to each other. P and Q are harmonic conjugate to each other. P divides AB in the ratio m is to n internally, then Q divides AB in the ratio m is to n externally. Here we given the point P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. What is the ratio we got? 3:1. So the point Q divides AB in the ratio, in the same ratio 3:1 externally. So we got the point 8 comma minus 8. That is the answer. So that is the harmonic conjugate of P. Right. Thank you.